Hello YouTube, this is Storm, and here we have a quick unboxing of the Leatherman OHT Black. Just got this one, courtesy of Broken Arrow. Hi, long time no see. And here we have it. Nice piece of kit. It's all in black, as the name suggests. It's a very nice, easy opening. Good flick of the wrist, opens this fine. What's the last bit? Nice sprung loaded jaws, plain, simple. It is a one-handed opening, or it should be. It's a nice blade, approximately 2¼ inches long. Fine screwdriver. Nice little Phillips, good for some jobs. My favourites, which is the paracord cutter and screwdriver, works very nicely. Alright, on this side we have a nice saw, decent edge on it, standard can opener, decent sized flat screwdriver, and the knife again. That's all. Which one have I missed out? I've missed that one. Again, nicely made piece of kit, a decent weight to it, not too light. And you've got double layer of metalwork in the side. It's quite chunky. Light, this is the military option. Standard pouch, plain simple side accessories, but it has the proper webbing, so it goes straight in your vest, or in my case backpack or belt. That's that one. Now we have the wave. I like the wave. It's not mine, unfortunately. This one's just been borrowed for this one, just to compare it to. Again, your blades on the wave are longer, same quality, as far as I can tell. Except it's not one-handed opening as such, as you can tell by this. Very nice file. Very coarse, fine, closed kit. Again, the blades much longer than the wave. We'll find where that one is on this one. Yeah. Comparing one to another, the size difference is noticeable. That's that one. Standard blade. And you've got another blade there. So all done one-handed, so you can see a nice pair of pliers. On the side here, you've got your scissors. Never like the way that comes out. Too much chance taking a finger off of it. Well, on the side there you've got a very fine screwdriver on the normal one. Okay, see what I have to take out to get around there. Up. Advantage with this one, you've got that tiny little screwdriver there, which is perfect for your glasses. And trust me, the number of times I get a loose screw on mine, I wish I had something to do that to hand, is too often. Got your can opener, but it's really nice with this one is that little slotted section in there, which is for the interchangeable screwdrivers. All in all, it's a nice robust piece of kit. You could say it's one-handed opening and using, but as you can see with that, it's fiddly. Comes with accessories, comes with nice bits. This one, again, one-handed is one-handed. And it will slide out pretty much by itself. Sprung loaded, unlike the other one, very nice, very straightforward. Again, I'm working left-handed, I'm right-handed. It's opening nicely, it's closing nicely. I've got to say, its first impressions were nice, chunky, weighty. Weight on weight, I think the OHT is a tiny bit lighter, but then I do feel the quality in it. It's a nice piece of kit, it does the job. As I said, I'm not going to flag up price differences between the two. I haven't got a clue what it is. As I said, this one came from Broken Arrow, so many thanks. I will definitely put this one to use. And this one was borrowed off somebody else, just to literally compare the two. It's great when you do an unboxing of one knife, you've got nothing to compare it with. So there's a different model within the system. It's a nice piece of kit. The other thing I've got to comment that I didn't notice straight away, but did straight away, on the blades, on the outside of the casings there, you've got the picture and feel emblem of what you're actually using. So, on the side, again, you can feel what's what. You can feel the saw edge there, you feel a small point screwdriver there, again, screwdriver there, and you can run your finger down, you can actually feel it. So if you're using this thing at night, you can actually, you've got a good idea of what you're doing and what's what. So, thank you very much.